Hey, good morning YouTube. We are now at Hamert, yes again, because I forgot to shoot the birch forest that I told you about in the last vlog. So we're off to see how it looks over there right now. Hello. Yeah, I have a nice rough tree over there. It just stands out a little bit and there's nice mist behind it, so it's gonna have a nice separation from the rest of the background. But as I can show you guys, there's a lot to be had here. So the sun is coming up on that side and yeah, it starts to look really great. So I'm gonna walk back a little bit so I can capture this tree. In the back there, if you can see, there's a nice birch tree. It's a little bit apart from the rest. And on the left side the sun is coming up. You can see him actually through the trees. So before the sun comes up, I want to get some more shots in this area because it looks amazing without any sun. Yeah, there's a nice scene going on here. The sun is rising and it's slowly moving up the tree tops. And yeah, I'm shooting this old branch with some goat hair or sheep hair on it, or wool. But on this side, the treetops are starting to get lit by the sunlight as well. So I'm kind of in between which way should I shoot. But I don't know, I like this scene now and I'm gonna go towards the other side to see what's happening over there. Yeah, this morning is turning out to be quite glorious. Yeah, there's not much interest in the sky, but the light is phenomenal. And once it hits the birches on that side, I think we can get some amazing pictures. Yeah, right now it's a bit of a lone tree, but it's really high up in the mist. I think it looks amazing. I think I have another picture of this exact same tree, I guess, which I made a couple of years ago actually. And yeah, just an amazing tree. Yeah, with a scene like this you would expect me to cover the entire tree and shoot the grand panorama, but I'm actually on the teleLens. There's a little tree in the front and there's just light beams falling over the tree, so I really love that scene much more. Yeah, as you can see, some of the scenes in here look really stunning. I just shot more or less abstract this place. Now that I see it, I think I need to take a shot at a lower aperture as well, because it just makes the background a lot more smoother. And yeah. Yeah, we made a really good choice today of coming here, because the amount of shots I'm getting today is really nice. And I'm not gonna vlog about all of them. I'm just gonna show them in the end, most of them, because for me priority number one is getting images, not vlogging. So I don't want to be spending all morning talking to the camera when I should be off shooting amazing images. So yeah, sorry, bye. Yeah, this is a scene I shot last time I was here, when things went so horribly wrong. Jesus Christ. I did get one nice image, and that was this one. It's exactly right for this path. And I was just checking out the last version, just to see, to compare it a little bit. If you have 1 second. Yeah, let me show you guys. It's the same place, different time, different atmosphere. But I think the next one is going to be better. All the nice mist in here just makes for a really cool mood that I really love. So yeah, I think it's going to be awesome. So what is happening, guys? We had a nice walk through the woods. The birches were amazing. The atmosphere in the forest was uncanny. I never seen it like that, that part of the woods. So I was really glad that we went there finally. I wanted to go there for a couple of times, but there was not enough mist, and I thought today was going to be the day. So I'm glad we got to be here today. So yeah, I'm gonna see where Roel is, because he has disappeared somewhere in the mist, but now that the mist is gone, I still don't see him. I think I have to call him. Roel! No. But yeah, catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, because not all of the viewers are subscribed yet. I can see that in my statistics. I'm Big Brother and I'm watching you. So yeah, no, but drop a like and leave a comment if you have anything to say about my images or this vlog. All comments are welcome. You know, I want to engage with you guys. I want to show you guys that I'm doing this for you guys, and if I can do anything better, or you have any requests that you want to see, or you want me to improve and stuff, if I'm not telling you guys enough, just let me know. I can deal with some criticism. I just yeah, I want to be straight with you guys, and I hope you guys are straight with me as well. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.